One of the simplest ways to save credits is to make simple changes by using the Edit Content view. You can get there by clicking that tab in the top middle of the preview. In the Edit Content view, you'll see boxes appear around the elements that you are able to adjust manually. For example, for SEO purposes, maybe I want this to actually be called a free professional invoice generator. So we can click on this tagline in the top, and then a text editor will appear. I'll click into the text editor and add the word free, and then click Save. And then Hosting Our Horizons will process the change, and it won't cost any message credits. If you know how to code, you can also use the Code tab at the top to see the raw code for the website. You can click through the various files that make up the website on the left side, and then make changes to the app by typing directly in the code as you would in any code editor. To keep things simple, we'll skip this today and go back to the Preview tab. Now, what happens when the AI makes changes that you don't want, or you don't like the changes you've requested? For example, I went a little crazy here and wanted to see what it would look like if the invoice was bright blue. I regret that choice now. So how do we undo this? There's two ways you can undo changes you don't like. The first way is to go back to the chat on the left side and click the Undo button to undo any changes you've made. Or if you've made several changes over the course of a few messages and you don't like them, you can always revert back to the version that you do like by scrolling to that version in the chat and clicking Restore. So I'll go ahead and do that method now. You'll get a note here saying all changes made to your project after this message will be permanently deleted. Do you want to continue? So we'll go ahead and click Restore to confirm that we want to roll back. And just like that, we've got our white background invoice back. Much better.